Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an application on ZipRecruiter. So if you've applied for a job by mistake or changed your mind, then just follow along. First, open the ZipRecruiter app or visit the ZipRecruiter website and sign into your account. From your dashboard, go to your applied jobs or my application section. Then select the job application you want to manage, and if the employer allows it, you'll see an option to cancel application or withdraw application. Tap or click that option and confirm your decision. You need to keep in mind that not every application can be cancelled after it's been submitted, and if the employer has already reviewed your application, you may not be able to remove it through ZipRecruiter. In that case, you can contact the employer directly to let them know you wish to withdraw your application. So that was how to cancel an application on ZipRecruiter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.